So it is red season, Christmas season, so you see a lot of reds. And this month I decided, you know what, to finish my color favorite series. I literally followed every color of the rainbow. I'm gonna finish off in December with red. So I'm wearing my little Nail Queen sweatshirt, and I got it in red. I got it in a darker color too because I really like the reddish burgundy. I'm really into that vibe. But I have a list of all my red favorites here, and I'm gonna go through every single one for you guys. And then I'm also considering keeping this series going with like favorite flakes, favorite foils, favorite temperature changers, like things like that, you know? I think that would be fun to kind of keep my favorite stuff going, but also categorize it, you know? So first up in this red category is this color by Revel, and it's called Portia. You guys have probably seen they have a similar color called Lacerda, but Portia is a red to like a deeper red, more burgundy tone. I love this one. When I used it, I haven't used it in a few years, but when I last used it, it's just like one of those colors for me that's so easy to work with. It's a temperature changer, and I don't know what it is about the powder. It just lays down really easily, and normally I don't have great luck with Revel solids being so incredible to work with, but their thermal changers I feel like are the better quality of their powders. Moving on into one of their glitter fest colors that they released in 2020, there's this color called Vendetta. It is such a sultry, gorgeous red. I feel like this is great not only for Christmas, but also Valentine's Day manicures. And if you want to include it in like your 4th of July or Memorial Day style of manicures, it would be great for those too. Ooh, I recently purchased this color from Sparkle & Co. It's called Red, White, and You, and it is a color changer, and it goes from red, I feel like, to white because it's red, white, and blue. You get it, little puns they were going for. So it's Red, White, and You, and I really like that it goes from red to white. I think that's really pretty, and it's a sparkly color. Bringing back up the Team Sparkle colors that Sparkle & Co. discontinued. Why? Why did you do this? This one not only is one of my favorite like red colors, but it's also, I should have included it in like my Christmas favorites. I kind of regret not including it, but it's a white base with red like tinsel. I know not a lot of people like the tinsel hairy light glitters. I think this was a really cool take on a tinsel light glitter. I think it's cute and it's fabulous for Christmas. Moving on into Vivid Glam Co. First of all, if you haven't shopped there, what are you waiting for? She has a gorgeous selection of colors. They're all very unique, and her solids are incredible to work with. But this first color I really like is called Maneater. I believe she released it around Valentine's Day of 2021. I'm not 1000% sure, but obviously you see some pinks, blacks, yellow, golds in there, but there's also red. Like, let's zoom in on the reds right there. So you see there's some pretty reds in this color, this glitter mix. So I just threw it in my red favorites because, you know, it was around Valentine's Day. Like, that's a theme in itself. Like, red is staple to Valentine's Day more than pink is to Valentine's Day. Yeah, I really like this color. And speaking of the Valentine's Day style, she also released this color called Loverboy, and obviously you have the bases of the pink, the black, the white, the gray, but there's red in it. So it gets to get included in my red favorites. So it's called Loverboy. You can see that it has like little pink hearts in it, but it has red lips. I think that is so cute. Okay, so moving into solid territory, CN Designer Dips. I know I included some of their darker colors in my Christmas favorites, but there's this color called Forbidden, so think of like a forbidden fruit, like a red apple. This is just such a perfect, like, deep apple red. I really like this color. It's a gorgeous solid and it's very pigmented. If you want a brighter solid, Smooches from All Powdered Up is a gorgeous red. It's not only perfect for Christmas, but Smooches, it's perfect for Valentine's Day too. I think I mentioned this color in my blue favorites, but I don't remember if I did, so I'm going to mention it here in my red favorites too because it has red in it. And red, white, and blue. Red is a staple to 4th of July manicures and 4th of July just as a whole. So Merica from All Powdered Up that released in 2020 is one of my favorite red, blue, turquoise whatchamacallit combos. It has red in it, so I'm including it in today's video. Literally one of my favorite 4th of July colors. I should have done a 4th of July favorites. Wow, I didn't think about that. Shit. Okay, maybe next year. Soul Dips. has some of my favorite reds. So you might have seen her apple picking and glory maple, and there's another blue that she keeps in there, but glory maple is the red that she paired with apple picking, and they're just so gorgeous. So I'm going to show you glory maple first. It's a deep darker red. I feel like it has like some brown in it or something, but it's a gorgeous red. It's very, very beautiful. And then moving on to apple picking, I love this color. Like, it's so much more beautiful in person. It's such a stunning color. And I've seen a couple brands try to replicate. I'm not saying that they tried to replicate this, but I've seen them come out with a version of this after Soul Dip's launch, and it doesn't have the yellow in it. I think they replaced it with like silver or something. But I really love that she has like the red, the blues, the yellows. Like, it's just giving me all the feels, and I really, really love this color. And my favorite red from Soul Dips is Frida. I love this red. It is bright, it is beautiful, and it is so smooth and silky and easy to work with. Hello Bow from Dipalicious Nails is so cute. So this one has a white glittery base, but it has like those staple little bows, you know, like Hello Kitty bows. So I think that's why it's called Hello Bow, Hello Kitty. So Hello Bow is so cute. It's so adorable. I really love this. She has a whole series of like kawaii themed glitter mixes, and I really love this one. I had to have this one. More on Dipalicious. So she has a few thermal changers, and one of my favorites from this is Roses Are Red. It goes from pink to red. So if you're looking for some thermal changers that are perfect for like Valentine's Day or Christmas, I think this one would be perfect for Valentine's Day manicures. It is so, so pretty. And Zooty Nails, you know, I've been putting the Chemical X series in almost every single one of my little color favorites videos. Well, of course, she has a red Chemical X version. This released before her Chemical X collection came out, I think, and it's called Pantaphobia. So it's red and white. So think of like peppermint manis. I just think it's really, really freaking cute. Oh, Kimberz Kreations, man, she makes these like dot mixes that are just out of this world. So she made this duo called the Rebellion Duo. So you have like that deep, darker red. And then the dot mix is like, it has like some goldish, brownish tones and that deep, dark red tones in it. It's really, really pretty. I love this dot mixture. So she makes tons of cute dot mixes. So definitely head to her website to check out the rest of her dot mixes. There's like a purple set. I think I included it in my purple favorites. I'm not 100% sure. But this one is called the Autumn Dance Trio. So it's basically a lighter version of the Rebellion Duo. So it's just a trio. It comes with like a sparkly nude, but you have a lighter red than the one that I just mentioned. The dot mixes is basically just lighter, so it goes more with the nude that pairs in this trio. So it really just goes great together, but I think it's a really cute trio. And even if you didn't include the nude in it, it's just so cute. It's so cute. You just have to have it. All right, so I noticed that is like a pretty short list. I think my blue favorites was a lot longer. I had more blues that were my favorites. It's funny because I really love red. Red is like one of my favorite colors. Like if blue is my favorite, I think pink and red would be like neck and neck with each other because they're practically the same color. One is just like a darker version. Like red is just a darker version of pink. Like it's just as pretty, you know? So I should do a pink favorites too. Man, there's so many colors I haven't actually done. Haven't done pink, haven't done white, haven't done brown, haven't done black. There's so many options. So many options. Okay, so since there's so many options for color favorites like pink, white, black, gray, you get it, right? If there's a color favorites video you would like me to do, drop a comment below letting me know what you'd want me to do, whether it be a color favorites or a style like thermal changer, sun changer, flakes, glitters, you name it. Let me know in the comments below what kind of favorites you'd like to see next from me. But for this rainbow color favorites, that's the end of this part of the series. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.